At Flex Film, we sell the Platinum Easy Reach and the Gold Easy Reach. This is the most popular, or one of the most popular tools that we sell. This particular style right here is the original, and you're going to find it to be GT2003, and this is GT2003 PLT for Platinum, regular Platinum. Okay, they also have, a lot of people confuse the tool. These are the same tools, but they have a different design. This is a Platinum Easy Reach too, and it's a GT200 and a GT200 PLT. Notice the difference. They're the same material. They're very thin. This one has a corner on it, and this one's corner's been shaved off. This one has a hole in the middle of it. This one doesn't. Essentially, this is the same tool. Okay, it's just your preference on what style you want. Some people in the style they use think that this corner is not necessary. I'm not really sure why I would even care as to which one I use. I definitely enjoy this corner and being able to massage out small imperfections and creases in film. But you've got to keep this tool maintained. This is a very hard, stiff tool, and the hardness of this plastic will scratch film. This is not something you just go out into the window film and scrape on without seeing scratches everywhere. This is a tool that you're going to use only in the cracks, along the edges, along the bottom, because it'll slip behind the seals really easy. You might, with a tool like this, very sanded and smooth, you could maybe choose a Toyota Camry, a very hard to reach little quarter window, and get really back in there and just kind of push it and get the bubbles out while you're installing the film. But you be real careful. This tool does scratch, but it's also good to get behind the seals when you're tucking the film. If you're a top loader, you can pull the seal back because it's so stiff and thin. You can just punch it right behind the real tight seals, and it just every time will go. And then you get back there and you pull it back, and then you get the film to go back behind it. But the difference between the two, the Platinum and the Gold, is the durometer hardness of the plastic. This is a softer plastic. This is a harder plastic. This is definitely the most stiff of the two, the more stiff of the two, and probably this is the best seller, the Classic right here. It's got all the corners, as opposed to the one that has the one that's cut off. I'm sure, you know, if I were, this is my daily driver. I'm going to keep this in my pouch. I'm probably going to use one of these on every single car.